I got one Aploy profile look like this, and I failed to pick this with my rear tensioner pick. I believe that the last disk is missing, so there is an empty space and then non-zero disk after that. I feel if I use this rear tensioner that there's empty space in the rear, and then after that there's a disk. If I try to pick using that, it fails. I don't get it picked, so that's why I designed this kind of front tensioning pick, a bit like for the Aploy Classic I have also. So let's try to pick it. First I made this tool to turn all discs all right. Okay, now all are all right. Then insert the picking tip and the big front tensioning. Oops. Okay, and then let's start from the first disc. Oops. Maybe there. That's some gate. That's some gate. That's some gate. Some gate or something. No gate feeling. No gate feeling. No gate feeling at all. No gate feeling. Maybe at the gate. This is tucked. Let's reveal this. Could it be here? Okay, now it's better. Maybe at the gate. Maybe at the gate. Maybe at the gate. At some gate. Where is the first one? This is the first. Now it's tucked. Or is it? Maybe there. Maybe there. No, really. At some gate. White. At some gate. Maybe at the gate. No idea. Now this is tucked. Okay, this is the rear last disc, so you see this is not zero cut. That's why I failed to pick this. This is at the gate. This may be stuck. This may be stuck. Still. No, I lost it. Okay, did it open? Okay, it opened. So seems to be possible to pick with this. So if I fastly try to decode it, I think this is kind of okay. These are not aligned, so maybe this is zero cut. So in the rear end there is no zero cut. Oh, first is this free wheeling, then something not zero cut, then is zero cut. So this is zero cut position, but before that there is something not zero cut. Then zero cut, maybe two zero cuts. Then some mid gate, maybe zero cut, full cut, maybe zero cut, and something else. Yes, so seems that this small thing is able to pick. This is as a picking tip. I used for the material for picking tip is used this spring pin. Is it spring pin? Jousiteräs, maybe spring pin. And then I didn't shape it at all from the tip, so this is a wider than classic pick normally. And then I shaped this in a way that it's fitting to this steel tube, that inner diameter 6 millimeters. And then this handle is from RC car something, and this is this cheap Chinese handle, and here it is front tensioner is just 80 degrees cut, and then it's fitting to this first disc, and it's handling first disc, and if it's not zero cut, then it's possible to pick this lock using that. And then, oops, picking tip is a bit like in Aploy Classic. Well, actually it's same as Aploy Classic, except I didn't shape at all this, so this is a bit wider. So if here is this anti-pick discs, this should be able to handle them because it's wider than 6 millimeters, maybe 7, something like that. Okay, thanks for watching, have a nice day.